Hi guys and gals, this is Herman Bias, Director of Sales and Education for Emma Beauty. And today I'm going to give you another tip for creating that perfect at-home manicure. So, one of the biggest challenges, polish remover. People dry out their cuticles, their skin, when they use regular polish removers or acetone, sometimes even making sure that that cuticle area starts to turn white. What if I told you we have a product that not only removes any nail polish, even the dark shades like blacks or deep purples or rich reds, and it removes it within seconds while also conditioning the cuticles. We've got Emma Gold, non-toxic nail polish remover. This has a combination of essential oils including jasmine, bergamot, lemon, sandalwood, and that combination helps to safely and quickly remove the polish while at the same time conditions the cuticles all around there. So, how do you use it? It's simple. Take a cotton pad, saturate it, just like you would with a polish remover or acetone. Take that cotton pad, hold it on the natural nail for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 seconds. Allow it to penetrate into that polish, then rub in a circular motion, and voila, polish is gone. Again, even the dark tones. And at the same time, you've conditioned the cuticles. Emma Gold, non-toxic nail polish remover. And remember, all Emma Beauty products are 100% vegan and cruelty-free. Life's about manis and petties.